A. Mama letter A. Okay. Now say A for an apple. A for an apple. A for an aeroplane. A for an aeroplane. A for an axe. A for an axe. A for an ant. Now all of you walk like this. How an ant walks? This way. A for an ant. So the sound of A is
A for apple. A says A. A sounds A. A. A sounds A.
A is for an apple. A for an apple. A for an apple. A sounds
For apple. A says A. A sounds A. A.
an ant. A for an ant. Ant. A for an ant. A is for an ant. A sounds an aeroplane. A for an aeroplane. A for an aeroplane. A for an aeroplane. A
Says A. A sounds A. A. A.
A for an axe. A for an axe. Axe. A sounds
Says A. A sounds A. A. A.
A for, what is this? An apple. A for an ant. A for an ant. A for an ant. A sounds A. A for an aeroplane. A for an aeroplane. A for an axe. A for an axe. A for an apple. A for an ant. A for an aeroplane. A for an axe. And A for ass. 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 Okay. Now children, today we will be learning how to write the mama letter A and the baby letter A. Okay. Now all of you look at the board. See this. Put a slanting line touching your red line from your top line. Slanting line from up to down. Slanting line. This is your slanting line. Now another slanting line. Now I draw another slanting line down this way, slanting line, and a sleeping line. Now how you write the mama letter A? slanting line, and a sleeping line. Yes? So this is your mama letter A. Mama letter A is your big letter A. This is your big letter A. Slanting line, and a sleeping line. Slanting line, see, slanting line, and a sleeping line. Can you write this, children? Slanting line, that is your left slant. Another slanting line is your, this is your right slanting line. This is your left slanting line and a sleeping line. Okay, how many slanting lines you drew? Yes, 1, 2. 2 slanting lines. You draw one slanting line this way, another slanting line this way, and a sleeping line this way. This is your sleeping line. Okay, now we shall write the baby letter A. How do you write the baby letter A? Take a pencil, see, put a curve. This is your front open curve. What curve is this? This is your front open curve. Okay, see, the same curve. I draw it here like this. Put it round, and from here put a standing line. Stop. Okay, this is your baby letter A. Once again, put a curve, small curve, and go up, come down. This is your baby letter A. Okay, children. Once again, we will write the mama letter A. Slanting line, another slanting line, and a sleeping line. Very good. Now we shall write the small letter, that is baby letter A. Put a curve. How do you write a curve? See, keep your fingers this way. Keep your fingers curved like this. Yes, curve and go up and come down. This is your baby letter A. Again, mama letter A, slanting line, right slant and left slant. Okay, slanting line, sleeping line. This is your mama letter A, big letter A, and baby letter A. A sounds. What is the sound of A? Up. Curve and a line. Okay, put a curve and a standing line and slightly curve. Okay, so this is your mama letter A and baby letter A. Now children, see this. See this. This is your Pentagon series term book, term 1. Okay, it's your term 1. All of you take this book and take page number 4. page number 4. Okay. Now say what is this? A sounds A. Mama letter A, baby letter A. A. A for apple. A for apple. Apple. Very good. See, A for apple. Next, A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A sounds A. A for ass. A for ass. A sounds A. Now, next, you ask your mama and you write this mama letter A in your book. Okay? Take your pencil and neatly put a slanting line, another slanting line and a sleeping line. And you must trace this letter, mama letter A. Okay children? Next is your activity book. This, take your activity book, term 1 activity book. Page number 3. Can you see page number 3? Here also you have to trace. Here also you have to trace this mama letter A. See, can you see? There are two slanting lines. Slanting line. So you put one slanting line here, another slanting line this way, and write this mama letter A. Okay? And can you see this picture? Can you see your top? Yes. Take only A. Now you know what is A? Slanting line, and a sleeping line. So here you have to take the mama letter A. Enna pannom? Mama letter A tick pananum. Okay? And here take the baby letter A. This baby letter A, where you find the baby letter A, go and tick. Put a tick there. Okay? See this. Color the pictures for A. What are the A words here? What are the A sound pictures here? A as A, an aeroplane. A, an apple. Very good. See you in the next video. Bye.